Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Square for dropshipping payments. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Square for dropshipping payments, start by creating a Square account. Visit the Square website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information to create your account. After creating your account, log in to your Square dashboard. Navigate to the Settings section on the left-hand menu. Select payment methods from the available options. Here, ensure that your bank account details are correctly linked. Click on Payment Types to review your accepted payment options. Enable credit and debit card payments if they are not already activated. Consider enabling digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay for additional convenience. Next, set up your item catalog by navigating to the Items tab. Click on Add Item to start adding products available for dropshipping. Fill out the product details including name, description, and price. Be sure to categorize Once your items are added, navigate to the checkout settings. Customize the checkout experience to suit your dropshipping needs. This may include enabling shipping options and tax settings. Make sure to configure your shipping rates based on your dropshipping supplier. After setting up your items and checkout, test your payment system. Conduct a trial transaction to ensure everything processes correctly. Once confirmed, you can start promoting your dropshipping store. Monitor your transactions through the Square dashboard for easy management. Regularly update your item catalog as you add or remove products. By following these steps, you'll be ready to accept payments for your dropshipping business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.